In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Atome. If you've updated your primary email or you're tightening account security, this walkthrough will show you the exact path inside the app and how to work with support to make the change safely. Start by launching the Atome app on your phone. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in first so the app can load your account dashboard. Having a stable internet connection helps keep the process smooth. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the Me tab. This is your account hub and the quickest way to reach help resources tied to your profile. From there, select Support. This opens Atome's Help Center, where you can get assistance for account updates. To proceed with changing your email, choose Chat with us to speak with an agent. A live agent can verify your identity and submit the update for you. When the chat opens, clearly state that you want to change the email address on your Atome account. Keep the app open while you wait, and be ready to answer basic verification questions. Because updating contact details is sensitive, customer support typically needs to verify who you are. Prepare a photo of a valid government-issued ID and a selfie of you holding that same ID. Make sure the images are clear, well-lit, and show the entire document and your face without glare. Only share these through the official in-app chat. You won't be asked for your password or any one-time codes outside the app. If you can't use live chat right now, there's an alternative. You can send an email from your currently registered address to Atome's official support email, which you can find in the app or on their website. In your message, state that you're requesting an email change. Include your current registered email, the new email you want to use, and any reference details the app provides. This helps the team locate your account and respond faster. After you've submitted your request, keep an eye on your inbox and your in-app notifications for follow-up or confirmation. Response times can vary, but staying available speeds things up. And that's it. Launch the app, head to Me, open support, chat with an agent, and have your ID ready, or email support from your registered address. You'll have your Atome email updated securely in no time.